All right, so it says in Romans 12:2, do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, his good and pleasing and perfect will. See, we get lies looping in our head that are untrue, and that leads us to bad words and bad actions and things that are not pleasing to the Lord. Part of that is our view of ourselves and our view of others too. So how do we transform and renew our mind? How do we do that? And the answer to that is found in 2 Corinthians 10:5b. That means the second half of the verse. It says, and we take captive every thought to make it obedient to Christ. See, we don't have control over what thoughts flip through our heads, but we can treat them like bubbles and pop the ones we don't want to keep, or we can grab onto it and dwell on it and think about it and think about it and think about it and think about it. So we have to make a choice to let the bad ones just flip out of our head and pop like bubbles and hold on to the good ones. Hold on to the God pleasing thoughts. And those are the ones that we hold on to, and we try to let go of the others.